Have you ever wondered how easy it could be to run a Linux distro in a Windows environment? Well, buckle up, we're about to do it. Let's go. You can use any search engine of your choice. I chose Google for this one. You're going to enter WSL Windows 11. Your first search result will be the one that you want. However, you will see additional tutorials stacked below. Click on the first result. This is Windows official installer page for WSL, Windows Subsystems for Linux. It's a great read through if you want to go to sleep at night. However, I'm going to show you how to do it from your desktop. Go to your search and open Command Prompt. You can do the Windows key S and type in CMD. Then you want to type in WSL install-d Ubuntu. Oops, looks like I messed up there. Let me check my syntax and try again. WSL, yep, there you go. All right, now we have it installed. I'll fast forward here. It's installing. I want to show you that you can also do this from the Windows Store. Some people think the GUI is easier. Once you have the Windows Store open, type in WSL and click on the first returned result. There you go. And then you'll see a bunch of Linux distros pop up for download. So Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, and you also have Arch. However, we're going to complete this install in the command line interface. Then I'll go back and install one from the Windows Store, and then I'll show you how to verify the installation is complete. Once that's finished, we'll start with the subsequent videos, and we have a fabulous surprise for you for those of you that like to use ChatGPT and Copilot and Gemini. I'll show you how to make an isolated version on your PC. Okay, it looks like the installation is wrapping up here. So let's verify our Ubuntu install. We're going to type in WSL Linux, list verbose. And now we can see that Ubuntu is installed and the state is stopped. Now let's go back to the Windows Store and then download another distro so that we can see it installs to the same place. There's virtually no difference as to where you get it from. Let's do Arch. Here we go. It's preparing to download now, as you can see. It's going to take a little bit. The system's a little slower, and I'm using Starlink. Come on, Elon, speed it up. All right, we got 2%. Okay, it's going a little faster now. I'm going to minimize this here, get this out the way. A bit faster now, it's done. Let's go ahead and open that up. Yep, it's opened on a different screen here, so I'll pull it over for you. Now it's installing. It's going to install in the command line interface, and soon it will ask us to set a username and password. Oh, there we go. So username, CNT, and then password. You won't know what that is. XXXXX. No, 15. All right, and installation successful. Okay, so there we go. We have Arch installed and running. So we're going to close that out. We're going to close this bad boy out. Yep. And then let's verify our installation. So WSL lists, verbose. See, now we have Ubuntu stopped and Arch running since we didn't kill it. We didn't kill the program. All right. So hey, thanks for watching. We will post more content. The subsequent videos, again, will be leading up to an AI local install on your PC. So stay tuned, like, and subscribe. Thank you.